But I wanted to also check, being an academic, I started to look for on academia.com, where academics share about papers. I started to look for academic papers on the topic, and it was very difficult to find a paper that could be considered objective to a certain degree, because by then already it started to have so many interpretations. And I decided on one paper by Philippe Delalleur, who wrote a scientific paper about the events of Fatima. How could you write a scientific paper? So basically he compiled lots of pictures, because lots of pictures were taken during the event, and he decided to study the light in those photographs to determine a couple of things, like whether it was a meteorological event, whether it was a psychosis, so everybody basically got hysterical because they expected something to happen. Was it just unusual weather event, or was it something else? So he compiled as many pictures as he could, and by using mathematical equations, very high-level mathematical equations, which he provides in his academic paper, because it's a peer-reviewed academic paper published in a peer-reviewed academic journal, to show how he reached his conclusions, like by looking at the light on these pictures and what could cause this kind of lighting. So he reached the following conclusions. One was that it was definitely not psychosis, so it means it's not that people got hysterical. So it's not like nothing happened and people just thought that something happened. That was definitely not true, because the lighting on the pictures, on the photos, was very unusual. He also said that no meteorological or weather event could cause this kind of lighting. So it was another interesting conclusion that he reached.